No one tells you this, but the most powerful lessons in life are rarely spoken out loud. They arrive quietly, in disappointment, in silence, in the moments when no one is watching you struggle except you. You learn them when people disappear, when comfort becomes a cage, when effort stops working the way it used to. And if you listen carefully, not with fear, but with awareness, you'll realize something profound. Life has been teaching you all along. You just weren't ready to hear it. Today's video isn't loud. It's not motivational noise. It's a mirror for your priorities, your boundaries, your discipline, your healing. So take a breath. Let your shoulders soften. Number 1, priorities never lie. People aren't too busy. They're prioritizing. Time is honest. It doesn't argue. It doesn't explain. It simply reveals. If someone truly values something, a person, a dream, a commitment, they make room for it, even in chaos. And here's where healing begins. Stop chasing clarity from people who have already answered you with their behavior. Carl Jung once said, "What you resist persists." When we resist accepting the truth of someone's priorities, we remain emotionally trapped. Let go of explanations. Let go of chasing closure. Time has already told you what you mean. Number 2, why peace must be protected. If something keeps you peaceful, protect it quietly. Not everything sacred needs an audience. Oversharing is often a trauma response, a subconscious attempt to be seen, validated, or saved. But healing doesn't need permission. Be careful who you trust, because salt and sugar look the same until they dissolve. Not everyone who smiles means well. Not everyone who listens supports you. And remember this ancient truth. Even your shadow leaves you in darkness. Self-reliance isn't cold, it's wise. And if this resonates at any point, gently support the channel, like the video, subscribe to the Mind Kit, and stay with us until the end. Some truths only reveal themselves slowly. Number 3, comfort is the most dangerous addiction. Bad habits feel like a comfortable bed, easy to get into, painful to escape. Comfort dulls growth. It makes your mind weak and your spirit restless. When life becomes too easy, the psyche doesn't expand, it contracts. This is why discomfort often precedes transformation. First it hurts, then it teaches, then it strengthens. You're not breaking, you're being forged. Number 4, why silence is a form of power. Learn to heal without venting to everyone. Not everyone deserves access to your wounds. Some people collect your pain like information. Others silently enjoy watching you struggle. Silence is not suppression. It's discernment. Guard your thoughts when alone. Guard your words when accompanied. Your mind is both your strongest muscle and your most dangerous enemy. Train it. If this resonates, gently like the video. It helps this message reach others who need it. Number 5, you are judged no matter what. You will be judged whether you rise or remain small. So be who you want to be. Living for acceptance leads to spiritual starvation. Living authentically may cost you approval, but it gives you peace. If someone treats you like an option, leave them like a choice. Self-worth begins the moment you stop negotiating your value. Number 6, the illusion of effort without direction. Rowing harder doesn't help if the boat is headed in the wrong direction. Busyness is not progress. Effort without alignment leads to burnout. Your vision may be blurry now, but clarity comes with time, not panic. Trust the unfolding. Number 7, work versus wealth. Work at your job, make a living. Work on yourself, make a fortune. True wealth isn't money. It's discipline, emotional intelligence, and inner stability. You don't get paid for hours. You get paid for the value you bring to the hour. And value comes from depth. Number 8, letting go creates space. If you don't let go of the wrong people, you'll never meet the right ones. Attachment to what harms you blocks what could heal you. Sometimes heartbreak isn't betrayal. It's expectation. Let it be. If it's meant to be, it will happen without force. Number 9, the discipline paradox. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Excuses make today easier, but tomorrow harder. Discipline makes today hard, but tomorrow free. Freedom is built quietly, daily, and patiently. Number 10, why small circles create peace. A small circle. Private life. A peaceful mind. Oversharing drains your nervous system. Privacy strengthens it. You don't owe everyone access. Protect your energy like it's sacred, because it is. Number 11, pain has two forms. There are two types of pain, one that hurts you and one that changes you. Hardship prepares ordinary people for extraordinary destinies. Mistakes are stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. Learn. Move forward. Number 12, fear versus regret. Fear is temporary. Regret is permanent. Playing safe is the most dangerous choice. Sacrifice a few years of comfort for decades of freedom. Your future needs you. Your past doesn't. Number 13, the power of patience. Great things take time. Everything is difficult before it becomes easy. Before something great happens, everything often falls apart. One day you'll understand why you had to wait. Number 14, the final truth. You will fall. You will break. You will fail. And then you will rise. You will heal. You will overcome. Don't quit. You are closer than you think. If this video helped you, leave a comment with one truth that stayed with you.